Sairam, all the viewers. Today I am going to share the video of making Vangibath. First of all, we should make some masala powder. For that we need chana dal, urad dal, groundnut and til. Then first of all we should fry chana dal in a low flame and add urad dal to it and fry them very slowly on slow flame till we get a good aroma and the brown color. Then take it into a plate. After that add groundnut, fry them well. And we can add til to it also. Fry them nicely and keep them in a plate and cool it for some time and grind them to a powder like this. Our main ingredient is brinjal, then onion, after that chilli. Make them into pieces like this. Okay, now let's go into the method. Add 5 to 6 spoons of oil, then mustard seeds, then red chili powder, chana dal, urad dal and groundnuts too. Fry them well. After frying all these, you can add curry leaves and fry them. After that, you can add onion and chili. Fry them well. Salt and turmeric is added. Then mix it well. After that, you can add the brinjal pieces nicely and mix it well. After that, put a lid and simmer it for 5 minutes and then add chili powder and simmer it for some more time and stir it frequently and add little water for more softening the pieces. And you should increase the flame, stir them frequently so that the brinjal pieces will fry nicely. You should fry them in high flame like this. Stir it frequently. After that, see to that the pieces are cooked or fried nicely. Check it. Yeah. And then you can add the masala powder which we made earlier. Mix it well. The whole masala powder is mixed well and it's ready now for Vangibath. Yeah. Now add this cooked rice to it. Then add little salt to the rice and mix it well. Now our Vangibath is ready to eat. You can enjoy it as a breakfast or for lunch. you also cook and enjoy. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.